Greetings YouTube. As you are well aware, Blue Ren is still gone from all social media. We here at Order 66 are not only responsible for this, but we are still celebrating that idiot's quote-unquote disappearance. All the gigabytes that his fat face took up to store videos at YouTube headquarters was insane. Since his disappearance, in the saving of memory space/energy, we have been able to power an entire third world country. Again, boys, girls, men and women around the world, crack a bottle and say cheers. Stay dead, Blue Ren. We are Order 66. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.